everyone, welcome to TMT. My name is Kathy Schatz and I'll be one of your instructors for this course. My background in education is in the K-2 classroom primarily, both traditional classroom and then also expeditionary learning. And then I also was an education coach here in School District 25 for the Head Start program. And then I went on to pursue my master's in organizational learning and performance. And my primary focus through this broad spectrum of teaching and learning experiences is based on engagement factors and inquiry, how we motivate our learners to engage in doing their very best. And so I think we'll get to do a lot of that together in this course. So I'm looking forward to working with you and being a part of your teaching and learning success.